Yes, you have heard the video title. You have heard the title of this video. This company, right here, you've heard of it before, once before in your lives, have literally just saved the internal combustion engine. Let me explain. Now, as most of you know, Porsches, they have started life as basically Ferdinand, as basically the owner Ferdinand Porsche, who has started life making life for a VW Beetle, and then after that, throughout the decade, he has made tractors also. I think like most other companies like Ferrari or Lamborghini, he also started making tractors. But during that time, he has literally made the 911 throughout the decade. Now, sorry. Now, as most people would know, the 911 is a true icon. People can call it a glorified Beetle, and I still wouldn't even care. Like, that's how much I really like the car and all this. But let's not get into detail of Porsches and whatnot, because the title of this video is basically they have saved the combustion engine. And I know what you'll be thinking. You'll be sitting here on your phones watching this video thinking, oh, how the hell did a company that literally makes cars save a combustion engine, whatnot? Because of a fuel. Now, this isn't just any normal petrol and diesel types of cars, but it's literally a synthetic fuel like this, and Porsche is planning on selling it to the public in late 2026. Now, we don't know if it's going to be available around the world. We don't even know, is it going to be available around the world? Are we going to still see companies still making the car, still making internal combustion engines because of this? I guess we'll never know. But I'ma just say the basics and the statistics about this one. Now, as most people would know, would ask, what is the internal combustion engine? What is this fuel that's basically helping running this, that helps running the engine, internal combustion unit, like the engine itself. Now, it's made out of a synthetic fuel, which I think it's a mixture of air, and some other special liquid, some other special types of substance. I'm not very good at chemicals because I don't even take science. I'm just a mechanic and engineer at the former college I literally just go to. But yeah, they make that fuel, and then they are planning to release it in late 2026. Now, we don't know if it's gonna be available. It's gonna be compatible. We don't even know if it's gonna be engineer. We don't even know if it's gonna be a game changer. For all we know, it could just fail throughout the last decade in 2030. And we're just gonna see people drive crap cars like these throughout the whole day. And let's face it, nobody wants to see that. Like, literally no one wants to see that. I'm just sick and tired of seeing testers. But hey, that's just for another video. But Porsches, but Porsche is planning to sell this in the US. And making synthetic fuels isn't easy. Like, it's an expensive process. Like, for how normal gas oil comes from, it can either come from underground, under the sea level, or like it could be in like oil machines where like most people would normally just get their oil from and whatnot, and then it just gets purified, checked, whatever, and then it just gets shipped in barrels, and then it goes into the tankers, and then it goes into like Shell stations or just any basic thing or any other petrol station around the world. Now, they are planning on selling this in the US, I think. Like, I may be wrong about this, but they could potentially like plan on selling these in the US for $42 a liter. Like, I can't do maths, but judging by that, it would have been like what? Oh, hang on, guys, let me think. Now, according to my calculations, that is like $600 a liter. Like, that's just insane for like a car, but for like a car manufacturer out of nothing, because it's just air. Like, you can breathe in it. I think you can breathe in it, but that's just me. But yeah, basically, I didn't even know that Porsche can even do that. Like, good on Porsche, honestly, for saving a combustion engine. And and all this. Now, there are rumours that coming up this summer, we're gonna see like a hybrid 911. Now, I don't know if Porsche during the showcase event gonna show up to the gonna show up being like, oh, it has our new synthetic fuels, or oh, so it has our new synthetic fuel. It's gonna be available in other Porsches, but it's not just gonna be for Porsches. Like, they're planning on selling this to petrol stations, like, in the US. I don't know if they're gonna go global. I don't even know like if they're gonna be planning on selling stuff like this. But yeah, I mean, good on Porsche, honestly. Like, W Porsche, man. This is just like honestly, W Porsche for not making only great cars, great internal combustion engine cars like 911, 918, 11, 918. They came in GT3. All of them cars, like, good on Porsche. Like, honestly, good on Porsche. And yeah, that's it really. But honestly, guys, what do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comments down below. Is it gonna be a true thing? Like, would European unions even get through this ban due to the fact that oh, it's a fuel, it's not really electric, it doesn't have any electric possibilities and all this. But honestly, guys, what do you think? Like, comment down below. Like, comment down below in the description. But yeah, I just want to make this video, and honestly, after like during Easter holidays, I am planning to post content more on this channel. And sorry, my throat sounds bad, and I'm coughing too much. Because as you can see with my voice and all that, my throat is uh, going away, and I'm coughing insanely to a point like that. Yeah, to a point. And people say like, oh, electric cars. Oh, God, I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, damn, I'm so tired. Like literally, it's like 1 in the morning because I'm fasting and all this. But yeah, when I come to it, smash like and subscribe. Peace out.